everyone, welcome back to Leetcode Simplified. I'm Alan, and today we're tackling Leetcode 88, Merge Sorted Array. We need to fully understand the problem setup first. You are given two sorted arrays. nums1 with m is the number of its valid element, and nums2 with n is the number of its elements. And here is the big N. The problem automatically adds n zeros to the end of nums1 as placeholders. So the total length of nums1 is m plus n. Our task is to merge nums2 into nums1 in place so that the final versions of nums1 is still sorted. Here's how we're going to do it. Since nums1 has a bunch of trailing zeros, we can safely override nums1 from the end with the biggest elements from either array. Let's animate this approach with the three examples below. Example 1. num1 has 3 valid elements. nums2 have 3 valid elements. Therefore, n zeros are added to the end of nums1. Given all that, here what we'll do. Set I points to 3, the last valid element in nums1. J points to 6, the last element in nums2. K points to 0, the last element in nums1. Start the iteration process. At K position, place the bigger of 3 and 6 and move J left from 6 to 5. Then move K left. Repeat the process. At the new K position, place the bigger of elements at I and J. 5 is bigger than 3. Move J left from 5 to 2. Then move K left. Repeat the process. At the new K position, place the bigger of elements at I and J. 3 is bigger than 2. Move I left from 3 to 2. Then move K left. Repeat the process. At the new K position, place the bigger of elements at I and J. They are both 2, so place the 2 from J to K. And move J left, then move K left. Now, at this time, J points to -1, indicating that nums2 runs out. So we stop the process. That's it. nums2 has been merged into nums1. Move on to example 2. I point to 1, the last valid element in nums1. J points to -1 because nums2 is empty. K also points to 1, the last element in nums1. The iteration process won't start because nums2 is empty. And voila, that's it. nums1 is the result of merging itself with another empty array. Finally, example 3. I points to -1 because nums1 has no valid element. J points to 1, the last element in nums2. K points to 0, the last element in nums1. Since nums1 has no valid element, we just copy elements from nums2 into the placeholders in nums1. Copy 1 from nums2 to the K position in nums1. And that's it. Alright, if we're clear on the logic, let's translate that into Python. We start by setting 3 pointers. I points to the end of the valid portion of nums1. J points to the end of nums2. K points to the very end of nums1. This is where we'll place the next biggest element. Now we loop from both position I and J as long as they are greater than 0. If nums2 element is bigger, override nums1k with it and move J left 1 position. Else, if nums1 element is bigger, override nums1k with it. and move I leftward 1 position. After nums 1k get overwritten, move k left 1 position to get ready for the next largest element. Now, here's the special case. Nums 1 runs out of elements, but nums 2 still have some left. We just copy them into nums 1. Why don't we do the same for nums 1? Well, if nums 1 has leftovers, they're already in place in sorted order. No need to touch them. It's time to smash the submit button. Boom, accepted. Great. This solution runs in all m plus n time and does everything in place, using just constant extra space. Simple, efficient, and easy to understand once you visualize the pointers working from the end. And that's how you merge two sorted arrays in place. If the explanation helped you, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more simplified Leetcode tutorials like this. I'm Alan and this is Leetcode Simplified. Thanks for watching. I'll see you